Meet Ameca, the most advanced humanoid robot in the world. Now, for those of you that keep hearing humanoid, I don't really understand what it is. It's simply an automation or AI that is designed to resemble a human being. In the realm of robotics, Ameca stands tall as the epitome of technological advancement. No other comes close. Developed by a team of brilliant engineers and scientists, Ameca showcases the remarkable progress made in the field of humanoid robots. With its state-of-the-art intelligence and astonishingly human-like features, Ameca has revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with robots. Here are 5 technological qualities that stands this AI out. Number 1. Unmatched artificial intelligence. Ameca is powered by an advanced AI system that allows it to learn, adapt, and perform complex tasks with ease. Its neural network enables it to process information swiftly and make intelligent decisions in real time. With deep learning capabilities, Ameca can continually enhance its knowledge and skills, making it a truly remarkable robotic creation. Human-like movements. One of the most striking aspects of Ameca is its remarkable natural movements. Its joints and limbs are meticulously designed to replicate the range of motion of human motion. Whether it's walking, running, or performing intricate tasks, Ameca moves with grace and precision, seamlessly blending with human environments. Sensory perception. Ameca is equipped with a sophisticated array of sensors that provides it with an extraordinary level of sensory perception. Its vision utilizes high-resolution cameras, enabling it to perceive and recognize objects, faces, and gestures. Additionally, touch sensors and pressure-sensitive skin allows Ameca to interact with its surroundings, responding to physical contacts with appropriate reactions. Versatile applications. The capabilities of Ameca extend far beyond its humanoid appearance. It has found applications in various fields, including healthcare, education, and research. In hospitals, Ameca assists medical professionals in delicate surgeries and patient care, ensuring precision and efficiency. In educational settings, it serves as a valuable tool for teaching complex concepts and fostering interactive learning experiences. Ethical considerations. As with any advanced technology, ethical considerations surround the use of Ameca. Questions regarding privacy, AI ethics, and the potential impacts on human employment are important discussions that arise when exploring the boundaries of the humanoid robotics. It is crucial to engage in thoughtful dialogue and establish guidelines to ensure the responsibility and beneficial integration of robots like Ameca into society. Ameca represents a significant milestone in the development of humanoid robots. Its advanced AI, human-like movements, and versatile application makes it a remarkable creation that pushes the boundary of what is possible in robotics. In conclusion, while we marvel at its capabilities, we must also address the ethical implication and embrace a responsible approach to integrating such advanced technology into our lives. So that's it, guys, for today. Can you follow for more videos like this? On my next video, I should be talking about Xenobots. The first AI to self-replicate, to basically reproduce. So till then, guys, thank you. Ciao.